Good morning, Miss Neville's math students. I look forward to seeing each and every one of you in class today. You want to make sure that you come to class on time. We're going to be learning for the full 76 minutes today. We will also have class tomorrow at 12:28. Today's class is at 11:12. You want to make sure you come to class, you're ready to learn, and that you've completed your textbook assignments. There are many of you who haven't completed those assignments, and I want to make sure that you get those assignments done so you don't get zeros added to your grade book. Miss Neville will be updating math grades today at 2 o'clock p.m. So if you get everything turned in, including your textbook assignments, by 2 o'clock p.m. and complete any extra credit opportunities by 2 o'clock p.m., all of that credit will be given to you at full credit, okay? I look forward to seeing everyone in class today at 11:12. Please reach out to Ms. Neville through Teams, Remind, or email if you have any questions. Have a great day, guys. Bye.